Hello friends, today's topic is UN's population projection for 2050. According to the UN news sources, the current world population is 7.8 billion in October 2020. Population projections are attempt to show how the human population living today will change in the future. These projections are an important input to forecast of the population's impact on this planet and humanity's future well-being. The major findings of these research are: the global population is getting older. The slowdown in population growth due to the overall reduction in fertility causes the proportion of older person to increase over time. The number of people of age 65 and older is projected to be more than double by 2050 and more than triple by 2100. According to this report, some developing countries, especially in Africa, are still growing rapidly. The population of developed region will remain largely unchanged at around 1.3 billion from now until 2050. In contrast, the 49 least developed countries are projected to double in size from around 900 million people in 2013 to 1.8 billion in 2050. While there has been a rapid fall in the average number of children per woman in large developing countries such as China, India, Indonesia, Iran, Brazil, and South Africa, rapid growth is expected to continue over the next few decades in countries with high levels of fertility such as Nigeria, Niger, the Democratic Republic of Congo, Ethiopia, and Uganda. The report notes that India is expected to become the world's largest country, passing China around 2024, when both countries will have populations of 1.45 billion. After that, India's population will continue to grow and China's is expected to start decreasing. Meanwhile, Nigeria's population is expected to surpass that of the United States before 2050. Overall, life expectancy is projected to increase in developed and developing countries in future years. At the global level, it is projected to reach 76 years in the period of 2045 to 2050. And 82 years in 2095 to 2100. By the end of the century, people in developed countries could live on average around 89 years compared to about 81 years in developing regions. The UN has given three types of projections for population growth by 2050. Medium projection is 10 billion. The low projection is only 7.5 billion, that is 2.2 billion less than the medium one. We could achieve the low projection if we place in high priority on population control activities and on human development focused on women. The high projection is no less than 12.5 billion, a massive 4.7 billion more. This gap is equal to whole extra world as it was in 1984. This would happen if we continue to neglect women's need.